Alright guys, we should be live. And I think I found a good spot for my microphone so you guys can hear me. It's also funny, I just noticed that I started recording at 1900 miles. But yeah, it's been a while since I've recorded like this. And I was recently looking at my videos and I kind of like the style, so I want to go back. Trying something new actually. I'm doing the 360 and just helmet cam. And I do have the crash gauge on it too. That's different. Also, I just came back from Alaska. I don't know if I'm gonna do a video on it, but if I have the footage, I might do a video. Alright guys, you fell out again. This is why I don't like vlogging like this, because the camera microphone doesn't fit in well. And it's a little bulky too. Easier to edit. Also, my bike is so hot right now. Oh, that microphone wire is something else. It's been a while since I've been on my bike, so everything feels like off. The tires, just the look. I don't like it. That'll hopefully go away soon. I don't want to get caught in that rain. This guy's from Utah. nice amount of wind. I'm glad that there's no rain. Rain would have been so bad. I mean, it rained a little bit earlier, but not anymore. Maybe things just fell off because I'm recording again. Little Grom. Oh, it's so bright. Yamaha? Yeah, Yamaha MT-07 or an MT-09. I guess I'm not going fast enough because these cars are right behind me. I totally forgot to wipe off the GoPro every once in a while. That's one thing I don't like about the rain. I guess that's an upside of having two cameras, because if one's like not functioning properly, at least you got some footage. Kawasaki. My luck with Route 1 sucks. I hate Route 1. But it's like the most popular road for bikers. besides the rain, it's a beautiful day today. Look at the river. There's absolutely almost no engine braking when I'm in 5th gear. It's still pretty torquey though. Actually, not really. Not really. I want to go home, flush the system, and wash the bike. It's a really good downshifting. Alright guys, this is gonna be where I'm gonna end it. I want to end in the shade. I didn't want to find out neutral, because when I'm trying to find neutral and I can't find it and I'm stopping, I'll stall the bike. Just cause. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. What I'm gonna end up probably doing when I get home is reapplying a coat here, and there's probably another coat on the other side that I have to put from the stands. Not so much. I'll definitely clean off the bike, get some of this coolant off. I gotta find out how to put a screw and tighten it under here, because that panel wobbles more than this one. Actually, it's not bad, but I don't want that screw falling loose. And then I'm gonna flush the coolant. So yeah, I don't know, clean the chain first and clean the bike, or clean the bike first and then clean the chain, or at least clean the chain first, clean the bike, and then oil the chain after. I'll probably flush it very first, let it cool down though, because it's running pretty hot. But yeah, alright, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next episode.